Hi everybody, Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I'm here to show you how to make this really sweet heart garland. So I use salt dough ornaments and Miss Mustard Seeds milk paint to create this custom heart garland. I mixed Miss Mustard Seeds milk paint colors to create my own custom colors. So if you want to see the very simple step-by-step process to create your own, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to start playing with Miss Mustard Seeds milk paint products. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, then please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on Facebook or Instagram at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.